Assalamu alaikum. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. And today, basically, we are going to start the angle properties. And this chapter is one of the important and difficult chapter in O level and IGCSE maths. Okay. First, we will discuss all the properties of the circle, and then we will move towards the past paper question. Okay. Before basically going towards the uh, properties, first I will tell you the important terms in the circle that we are mostly use. Okay. Okay, if the line is passes from the center, it is considered as a what? Okay, it is what basically this line is considered as what? Diameter, because it is passes from the center. Okay, okay. If the line is not passes from the center, okay, except center, if the line cuts or meet basically two ends of the circumference, it is considered as a chord. Okay, it is a chord. Okay, and after this, if the line start from the center and they meet at circumference at any point like this, okay, you can also call it draw like this. So these two are what? Radius, because it start from the center point of the circle and basically meet at the circumference, so it is what? The radius. Okay, this is what? Radius. Okay, so first write the definitions of these terms. Radius, okay, you can call it a distance from center to any point on the circumference. Okay, the second one is chord. Okay, the chord is basically a line joining two point on the circumference. Okay, line joining two points on the circumference. Okay, okay. Chord means not pass from the center. You can also write that this. And the third one is diameter. Oops. You can call it a chord passing through the center. Okay, so these are the three main terms that we mostly use in the circons. There are like other terms, that is segment. Okay, what is segment? Look, if I draw another circle here like this, okay, look, this area, this one, the entire area which is covered, okay, this area. It means that this area is basically covered. Okay, this part. Look, this area, basically the yellow part, this yellow part, okay, is covered between the chord and the this circumference, this curved circumference, okay. This is the what? Segment. We call this part as a segment. ओके, अब इसको लिखेंगे कैसे हम लोग? Part of a circle, okay, part of a circle, part of a circle, covered, part of a circle covered by a chord and the circumference, okay. This is the segment, okay. उसके अलावा कुछ basic terms हैं, like perpendicular, you know, whenever you hear this word, और आप जब इसको देखें या आप इसको सुने, सो आपके माइंड में एक चीज़ आएगी कि इट मीन्स कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द 90 डिग्री, ओके. सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द 90 डिग्री और एंगल. द नेक्स्ट वन इज बाइसेक्ट. Okay, bisect means cut into two parts, cuts into two parts, cuts into two parts, or you can call it cuts into half. Okay, and the last one is equidistant. Equidistance means um, same distance. Okay, so these are the main basically definitions of the circle. Okay, first you have to remember these definitions, and then we will move towards the actual properties of a circle. So in today's video we just discuss this, okay, and I hope you understand all type of this thing ठीक है, आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हुई इसके अंदर तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हैं। एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम or in any sort of question related to any topic, you can ask for it. Okay, so if you like this video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Okay, Allah Hafiz.